Hello people, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my page, Chi Baby Solomon African Delight Delicacy. So today I am making another Afang soup. Afang soup. Yes, we have cow head, shaki, stockfish. Cow head and shaki, I've already cooked them. You know, I always cook my meat and keep it in the freezer. Then anytime I want to cook, I'll just bring out the portion that I need. Okay, so you can see I have stockfish here already washed very clean. I'll be adding chili and other ingredients before adding waterleaf and okazi. Yes, here in my kitchen is the only restaurant in Malaysia that gives you that delicious Afang soup. In case you're looking for where you can buy Afang soup in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, yeah. Send us DM, write to us and order in advance, okay? So we can also deliver anywhere you are. You can deliver to your location. You know that delicious Afang soup you eat in Nigeria. Afang soup is my favorite soup. I can eat it every day. Yes. It's a cross river and acquired type of soup made with okazi and waterleaf. Very nutritional because it's vegetables. So guys, let's go cooking. This is our fresh waterleaf, already washed and cut. I have okazi also. Yes, why I always prepare this delicious meal is that in my village compound we have plenty okazi leaf, so they normally block it, slice it and send it to me here in KL. Last time, the one I came back with from Nigeria, I still have it, so that's why sometimes it's very affordable for me to prepare it, because if you start buying okazi, before you can get the quantity of okazi that is required, you spend a lot of money. Okay, only the waterleaf alone is expensive here. So, and by the time you add all those things together, then to buy it, I think they say one plate 100 ringgit. So because the okazi is not costing me much, I buy it from they send it to me from my house, from my my mama's farm. So it's not that expensive for me, and I sell it in affordable price. I sell it plate 40 ringgit. Normally I'm not supposed to sell it 40 ringgit though, because it costs so, but because the okazi is not costing me much, that's why I reduce the price, so that everybody can afford it. So yes, what are you waiting for? If you want to taste that yummy Afang soup here in Kuala Lumpur, just write us, okay? Yeah, although it's not always available every 2 weeks, depends when my supplier bring waterleaf for me, so it's not always available in my kitchen. All right.